Fuera esto.
The lion has reached for safety, but the warthog isn't backing down. With a vicious clamp, it hauls on her tail, pulling the big cat out of the burrow piece by piece. She lashes out, claws flying, but the boar holds fast. One final wrench and chaos erupts.